Hi there, welcome back to Folding with Judy. A few of you guys have said that the folding techniques that I've showed you in the past did not work with your large bath sheets, so today I'm going to help you turn your large bath sheets into a compact, perfectly folded towel. So with that said, let's start folding. So this towel I'll be folding is 820 GSM. Step 1, because we're folding a bath sheet, start with your towel folded in half and lay it on the flat surface, like so. Step 2, fold up the bottom of the bath sheets that's closest to you and fold down the top portion of the bath sheet, overlapping the first fold, creating an elongated rectangle, and smooth it out like so. You may experience a gap because your thick bath sheet is thick, so you can bring it down a bit, but if you're unable to, it's okay because once it's folded, you won't even see it. Step 3, now starting from the left side, fold the towel in thirds, creating a pocket. Step 4, the magical part. Take the right side and tuck it into the body of the towel or into the pocket that you created previously. You may need to use some muscle, but once it's tucked in, just like that, you are done. Keep in mind that this particular bath sheet that I'm using is pretty stiff and thick, so over time it will loosen out and thin out just a bit, but it is a bath sheet, so it is pretty large and it now is compact and perfectly folded. If you need this tutorial slowed down a bit, I'm going to slow it down. I'm going to increase the music, so hopefully you're able to follow easily, and I'll come back and complete the video. All right, see you in a bit. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to fold a thick bath sheet. This technique is pretty easy and it keeps your thick towels looking tidy and organized. If you love this folding technique, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Folding with Judy, and hit the notification bell. And as always, happy folding.